Hello, and thank you for joining me for my Facebook advertising marketing tips and strategy series. Very quickly, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up a website custom audience using Facebook's custom audiences feature. So I'm going to get straight into the video. So you need to go to your Advert Manager and click on the Audiences tab. Just takes a while to load. And then what you need to do is go to the Create Audience button and click Custom Audience. Now, to create your website custom audience, you need to click on the Website Traffic button. I've already installed the code on my website, but if you haven't installed Website Custom Audiences yet, I will show you the code in a minute that you need to install. But okay, so assuming you've installed your code onto your website, you've got a couple of options really. If we just click the drop down, you can pixel anyone who visits any page on your website. That's very useful for generic audiences. You can build audiences who visit specific web pages, which can be very interesting in certain scenarios because you get more specific audiences. Then you can target or build audiences of people who visit specific web pages but not others, which is great if you've got sales funnel, doing funnel retargeting or trying to draw back people in if they abandon your shopping cart. And then you can target people who haven't visited in a certain amount of time. I'm just going to set up a generic custom audience. So basically, anyone who visits your website, obviously the time. This basically means that Facebook will pixel anyone who's visited your website in the past 30 days. You can go up to 180 days here, and I would always, in regards to the time that you set, it really depends on what you want to do. For your generic audiences, I'd probably advise saying it's 180 days. If you're making an offer, you might want to test smaller timescales like 7, 14 or 21 days if you're doing more advanced retargeting. But for this example, I'm just going to set it to 180 days so we can pixel everyone who's visited the site in 180 days. You can include past website traffic, and then what you do, and you call test. I'm just going to call it generic name for this video, but I'm just going to call it test generic website audience. And then what you do is click create audience. And there we go. It can take a while, depending on the amount of traffic your website gets. It can take a while for the audience to populate. Generally, you won't see a figure here until at least you've had 20 people visit your website. It can be 100. It really does vary. But once obviously you start populating, obviously then you can start sort of retargeting. I'm just going to show you the code that you can use. So basically, if you want to see the pixel code, just click one of your audiences. This is one of my audiences. Click View Pixel. What you want to do is highlight all of this code, copy, and then what you need to do is paste that code on between the header tags on your website. If you don't know how to do this, get your web developer to do it. If you don't have a developer, get someone from Fiverr or Elance to do it for you. It literally is a 2-minute job for someone who knows what they're doing. But it's very, very simple. So there you go. That is how you set up a website custom audience. Just like to say, if you really liked or enjoyed this video and it was helpful, in the top left hand corner of your screen there'll be a little button. If you click on it, I will send you my 5-step FB advert template of my best tips and strategies of how I create high converting and low cost Facebook adverts using my own strategies that get me a lot of leads, sales, for minimal cost. So if you want to do that, feel free. But thank you for joining me on the video, and I will look forward to speaking with you soon.